What's going on today, guys? We got two Chilling Reigns display boxes, and oh, that looks amazing. We got these at Plate Unplugged up in Ashland, and we're going to open these up. We're going to do kind of a different kind of pack battle. We want the cards we're going to get. We're kind of playing war, so whoever has the best hand, whoever has the best deck, they pull that round. They're going to get a fighting energy. We got all sorts of them here. And at the end, we'll see who won, and we'll get right into that. Okay, so here's our prize cards. Every time we win a pack, we will take one of those, and we will get right into opening this. Now, Tristan, if you didn't already know, I'm sure you do, you've opened a lot of packs. The card trick is 4. You move 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, I believe. I'm going to set this up. Just so you guys know that it is, in fact, sealed. Open it up for you.
There we go.
Okay, so look at that. Oh, we got all the different card arts there, except I believe there's one more. Oh, there it is.
Right there.
I think there's another. Yep, Ice Rider. Okay, so let's get right into it because we got so many to do. We aren't going to go through each individual card. Try not to show the code so that way they don't know what it is. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And if you want to put them up here, Tristan, and show everyone, we'll go one by one. Okay, there's my reverse. Uh-oh, I see something peeking back there, Tristan's. Okay. Oh, there's his rainbow art there. Sandaconda. Oh, sorry, Tristan. You won this one, so you take a card. Oh, that sucks. The rainbow rare is... You want to show that to the people? There's the rainbow rare. Oh, that sucks. Oh, I mean, it's a...
Still cool.
It's a gorgeous card. It's just...
Could've
Wish it was a different one, of course. Okay, Articuno here. That just, I feel bad. Damn. Hopefully, hey, you still got that gold? The gold, in there? Gold card, ultra, whatever they call it.
2, 3,
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a lot of packs to go, so there's still all sorts of stuff to do opening here. Just run through these. We're gonna see so many duplicates. Oh, I love that card.
Yeah.
Hey, we got. Hey, we got another one. Oh, look at that special energy. Oh, I like the Porygon too. Here we go. Oh, hey, I got your. Oh my God.
Yeah.
God, we'll take another card. Look at that. That is a gorgeous card. Take another one. I'm just kidding. I haven't got anything yet. I did get that special energy. I really like that. The reverse. Love that. And I got the Tornadus.
Yeah.
Calyrex. Oh, we got the two box arts. Try and do it so you guys can't see the code, so that way you don't know what is going to be in this pack. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Oh, here we go. This is exciting. Justified gloves. I know there's a lot of gloves in this pack. Hey, there's a Lapras. Always like a good Lapras. Here's my reverse.
And
Galarian Slowking. Oh, that's a nice. Hey, it's my first V, first anything.
Awesome.
I'll set this. I'm gonna set all my like V's up here. If you want to do the same, that would be cool.
I'll do that.
I'll take my first prize card. I know the pulls are very hard in this set, but I mean, what can you ask for? These are really good cards, and Slowking, that's an iconic one. Let's bust this sucker open. Get rid of the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know these packs are legit because we got them from Plate Unplugged, and he's a good guy. He wouldn't do any of that scamming. Ooh, a Haunter. I like that one. Got a bunch of stage 1 and 2s in here. Ooh, I like that card. That's really gorgeous art. That's one thing about this set is the artwork is amazing. I love this artist, the guy who does the real life photos. Okay. Oh, a single strike Urshifu is my reverse.
Ooh,
and nothing.
Oh. Zeb Striker though.
Yeah, you'll take that one since you got a rapid strike. Take a prize card.
Alrighty.
I'll count that as a better. They're both stage 2 Pokemon, obviously. But his was a rapid strike, so we'll just count that as a higher up. I already seen the card. It was a green one. Oof. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. God, we're gonna have to do this more often.
Oh.
Hey, look at that. Both. Drizzle. That's always a good card. Golert. Hey, I got my Porygon 2 like I like.
Melmar and Persimmon.
Oh, I think I'll take it since yours is that's how we'll do her. Since mine's a stage 2. Not like it really matters. We're just doing it for the video. We got so many packs to open. We gotta get zooming. We're already 5 minutes in. Holy smokes. Well, we haven't got any of the gold cards yet. No gold Snorlax. That's the big pull of this. If you guys didn't know, I'm sure you do by now. Golden Snorlax is the big pull. Hey, both Fire Energies starting out. Bunch of trainers. Larvesta. That's a gorgeous card.
Fire resistant gold.
Oh, I'm getting there. Reboot. Oh, yeah, you'll take that one for sure. That's a gorgeous card. God, I am not getting anything. I got a whole bunch of V's back here, that's for sure. Like, holy smoke. I mean, you do too. You got a VMAX and then the rainbow art.
Yeah.
Rainbow rare.
When I get home, I gotta buy another box.
Yeah. That, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your Riker out there. Got Water Energy. What are you pulling? Oh, another one. Look at this. That's like the 10th time in a row. Even though we haven't opened. I got Impact Energy. We haven't opened 10. But I'm a little dramatic. Come on. Okay, I got my reverse.
Mareep,
what do you got? Mareep. And I got a Galarian Weezing.
You won
Yeah,
that one.
What is our luck?
Oh, I got good luck right off the bat.
Yeah, you got amazing luck. I mean, God, I want to take a peek at this real quick. God, that art is amazing. It's not the this is called the secret or the alternate art. That's
that one is like cartoony and it's going for insane.
Going for an insane amount. That is like the best. Besides, of course, the Golden Snorlax. Everyone wants a Golden Snorlax. I don't know the price difference. I haven't really been paying too much attention. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just know they're all up there. We're just here to open some packs. Oh, look at this. What are the odds? Is that how this works?
We keep getting the same.
That is crazy. I don't know if that's just how it works. We're pulling because I'm pulling from different sides. I'm doing all sorts of. Love that art.
Ooh.
Class form. Okay, my
The
reverse is
Lycanroc.
Path to the Peak and. Oh, you got the Galarian. Okay, you won that one.
I needed that one because I have the VMAX.
Yeah, you got the VMAX. From what? Didn't you get that when we were both up north? We didn't film and we got like amazing pulls.
Yeah, I got the VMAX and now I finally have the regular V.
I need this art. Didn't you pull this? The alternate art of this card you told me last night? Was that this one or was that
No, it's the this guy, Zapdos.
Oh, Zapdos. Okay.
Yeah.
I can't remember which bird you said. I just know you pulled one of the birds and
Yeah.
gorgeous cards. Either way. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are we gonna get the same energy again? No.
No. Broke the streak. That's crazy though. That we're getting all the same. Welcoming Lantern. Love the arts. The arts are the best part. Oh, Galarian Slowpoke. Gorgeous. Okay, come on. Weedle. Cast form. Okay, here's my reverse.
Vista and
Oh, I got a Galarian Zapdos. And you got Porygon Z. Oh, I love that card. If I don't get that, I might have to trade for something.
Yep.
I love Porygon. That's probably one of my favorite Pokemon next to Gyarados. Take my prize card. Okay. Not too crazy pulls yet, but I mean, still great cards. I'm loving it. This is a whole lot of fun. Hope you guys at home are enjoying watching. Just wait until because each pack should guarantee at least one gold card. So maybe we'll get a Snorlax. Okay. That would be amazing to get that. Here, just saying about gloves.
I love this trainer. Like, that's
Melanie?
useful for
Yeah.
a water deck.
Might have to look more into that. I didn't even know that was a trainer in the TCG. Ooh, Galarian's Surfetch Reverse Hollow.
And
Oh,
Blissey V.
Blissey V. Didn't you get the VMAX one time?
no, I pulled this one before though.
Is there a VMAX? I probably don't even. No, I don't think there's a. What am I talking about? Hedorine, you won that one. If you want to take your prize card, we're not even halfway through. This is crazy. This is crazy. How many packs are opening? This is just nuts. What's 36 times 2, Tristan? I'm not good at math.
I'm not.
60,
No.
72? 72, right?
Yep, 72.
Galarian chestplate. By the time we're done, we're going to be able to create an entire uniform with all these trainers. We just need some pants, I think. I'm kind of getting ahead of Tristan here.
No, that's okay.
Swole it. Score Bunny. Then P. Snover is... I don't get this. Leaf? Really? I guess. Volcarona, Reverse Hollow.
Saucebook and
Oh,
Ampharos.
you'll take that one. That's definitely a better card. Stage 2. God, what are these pulls, man? What are these pulls? We gotta get something. Hey, it's getting to the end. It's gonna be the end of the video when we pull these. We gotta really get running though. We're already at 11 minutes.
Yep.
Plus the intro. You guys aren't gonna stick around for this, but you will because you want to see us pull that golden Snorlax. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel Energy.
Oh shoot, I did it wrong.
Oh, you did it wrong? We'll just run through it. Doesn't matter. We gotta... That's okay. Ooh, I love the horn.
I goofed.
That's okay. It's really just about... Oh, no. I just peeked something there. I'll just run through them quick until I get my Reverse Hollow. And...
Yep.
Oh! Alt Art. Dang it. We got the Alt Art. Or can't even talk because I'm so bummed. I wish that was an alt art of anything else. I'll take my prize card. Whatever, that's okay. Hey, at least we got something. That's better than just nothing. Riker's having the time of his life out there. Hey, that could be a lot worse. I could have just got nothing at all and been bummed out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we'll make mistakes in here. There's so many cards to open. We each got 36 packs. Like, this is the most cards I've opened at one time, that's for sure. I got Water Energy. Rugged Helmet.
Fire.
Just gonna run through them quick. Because we've seen Coughing. We've seen all these before. And...
Doug Trio.
Zarude Sandstorm. And I got Wheezing.
Oh, you should take that, because...
I'll just... It doesn't matter. Okay, we got another... I love that art. I need that. I mean, I wish you were this. Oh, I seen a white card. I opened it wrong. I'm gonna have something good in here. Please be that golden Snorlax. Please be the golden Snorlax. Okay, Porygon 2. Hey, I got the regular.
Oh.
Rapid Strike, Scroll of Skies. Ready? Oh, I got a Hatterene. I thought that was a white card. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Huh.
Well, you still get white.
I'll let you take that one.
Alrighty.
You still get white even if it's just...
Not a full art.
Yeah, I see. Tristan here is an expert Pokemon opener. I, on the other hand, am not. I am more of a Funko guy, as you can see with the background. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's get right into it. Oh, we don't have any matching energies anymore. Ooh, that Fog Crystal is gorgeous. I think that's a gold card. I can't remember what they call those. And, hey, Fog Crystal Reverse. And, oh, look at that. You got the V, and then I got the same one as you got. That's awesome. That's gorgeous. Only if you could be the alt art. That's okay, though. Could be worse. And then we got... Let's open the next one. Hold on. another fog crystal. You know, I haven't seen any of mine be fog crystals, and then all of a sudden I've been getting a bunch of them. Diglett, and you won that one for sure. Mine was Slurpluff. Blech. Someone actually probably really likes Slurpluff. I'm gonna shuffle these around a little bit so this side stays up. I like the look of that more. Gives me hope that that there's still something big out there, and there is. There's still probably another alt art and probably a few more V's, and then of course that gold card that we've been searching for. That golden Snorlax is in here. It's in one of ours. I feel it. I feel like we got something big coming. Oh, we got it again. I mean, the odds of that happening are quite. It's not great.
Venipede and
I think I got that one.
Yeah, for sure.
Rillaboom. I know he's in the TCG online game because I use that deck quite often, actually, and not actually playing against real people, but. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get this. Oh, here we go. Fire resistant gloves. I'm telling you, there's like 10 gloves in here. Welcoming Lantern. Boot, cast form, Quillfish, Ralts, Heracross,
Porygon, and
I got another one. What are the odds of that?
Wow.
2 of them in a row. That's the last 2 I've gotten. Look at that.
Dang.
2 of them in a row. Okay, let's bounce right into another pack. Gotta get these out of here. We have like a giant stack of cards, like over this tall over here. I just got done sorting through all my cards and getting them all put away, and now we're doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Water.
Oh, Water Energy, one of my favorites. I run a Water Energy deck. My Wailord deck, probably my favorite deck ever. And okay,
Peony and
you take it. Yours is a better Pokemon.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't like Wailorine. I think he's lame. Sorry to all you Wailorine fans, if there is any. Keep that there. I'm gonna push mine out a little too, so that way people can see. Okay, so we got 2 Blaziken, which isn't bad, because I might, if I get some V's, I'm going to run a fire deck with them in it. I think that's what I'm going to do, because there are some really good cards for fire. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey.
Oh, Dark Energy, Spiral Energy. And I got the chest plate, reverse hollow, and
yeah, you got that.
Nothing too great. God, the pull rates, man, the pull rates. That's what everyone's talking about, is the pull rates. They're just great. Should bust out some Darkness Ablaze packs,
if we can find
some
it.
Display 1, 2, 3, 4. They have them on Amazon for like 160, but at that point you're overpaying it. You don't know if and you don't know if you are getting like a sealed or if it's going to be some sort of repackaged. Peed. Oh, I love that art on. They got the trainer back there. I didn't even notice that before. I got the reverse hollow and Galarian Moltres. That is gorgeous. We just need the alt art of you. Look at that. Alt art, if you guys haven't seen yet, is gorgeous. It's probably my favorite card of this deck, except for the Golden Snorlax. I don't want you. It's in here somewhere. We both have not opened our golden card yet, so that's coming soon. I bet we're down to probably about half. I'm betting about half. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey!
The electric energy. The energy is high. Crushing gloves. That's a cute little Pokemon. Okay, I got Grookey and there's the Porygon Z. Ooh. Look at that.
Yep, you won.
Gorgeous. Okay. We need more V and V Maxes right now. Up in here. Up in here. I need that. You know, more I talk about this Golden Snorlax, the more it's just out of reach. I'm surprised we haven't got one. Like the odds that neither of us get one. Just gonna run through these quick. A helmet. There we go. We're completing our suit. We got... Oh, I see an alt art.
Oh.
I see an alt art. Oh, there's my other alt art. That's the Slowking, though. I can't deny that's a gorgeous card.
Awesome.
Like, I don't care about cost. That's a gorgeous card. And that'll pick me up another one. My pile over here is starting to slide into everything else. So I think that's going to be all the alt arts I get. But you need more Vs. You got to have a ton of Vs just stacked up over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire and electric. Let's go. Fog crystal. Just run through these quick. I got a cast form and Whirlipede. And what do you got? Oh wait.
Oh, yours is
Yeah, I messed up. Doing too many of these. You won. That was all you. Stand Sneevy or Snivy or whatever it is. I haven't watched the anime in so long. It's been months. Gotta get back into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Riker's having a blast out there still. We got Porygon 2 regular.
I need more V's.
Yeah, and then Rockruff. Oh,
Volcarona.
You're taking that one all day long. Volcarona is a gorgeous Pokemon. Okay. You gotta have a ton. Like, from now on, you gotta be pulling all V cards right now. All V. You got a couple V Max, but you need some more Vs in there. That is... We got too many packs done so far.
And I haven't gotten as much as you have.
The centering on these cards are pretty good. This one's a little off, but that's... I mean, for how much they're trying to pump these out. Hey, I got another Lapras.
Yeah.
Okay.
Heracross. And...
Oh!
Dang.
Calyrex, Ice Rider.
I love those Calyrex.
I might have to trade you that one. I don't have any, though. I might not... I might have one. I do have a ton of other packs to open some other time. I got the Chilling Reign from Poke Center, which I got to show you guys. Get this open first. Which I got this. Tristan also got one. I got two since I got 2 boxes. And that's gorgeous. I mean, I got all the cards right there that I would ever want. I'm going to keep this one sealed. I got 2 of them, like I said. So I'm going to open one probably in the next video. 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to keep that one sealed just for the wall. Oh, you're going to burn me. Ooh, there's some more gloves. I don't know if we've opened those yet.
I love Melanie. I got a full art of that, and it's beautiful.
Lucky. Lucky there. I got Snover. Oh, you take that one any day. Yeah. So now you got the alt art and then you got the regular one.
Yep. Well, plus I already had this one from that pack.
Oh, that's right, duh. We just talked about it, Nathan.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, and today we're actually going up to Appleton, so haven't been up there yet, personally. We're going to go up to the mall, and we're going to do some Funko and Pokemon shopping, see what we can find. It's going to be fun.
We better find something, because as much as I have a bunch here, and I need more.
Yeah, no, we need more. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Goal alert. Oh, look at that. That is a gorgeous card.
I love full art trainers.
Honey, that is awesome.
You know, dare I say it, most of the time like full art trainers more than full art Pokemon sometimes.
I don't blame you, because full art Pokemon are really cool, but the trainers just have so much personality, so much art behind it. Like, it is crazy. We still have not opened our golds. Maybe they're both hiding in the back corner.
Maybe they're probably gonna be the last.
They're gonna be the last packs. Who's gonna win? Whoever gets the golden Snorlax, it probably won't have weeding gloves. I have not got these yet. I know for a fact. There's so many gloves in this pack. I'm gonna have to look up what we got for cards in this.
And then
Canyon.
You got
that. That's a steal right there. I do. Everyone hates on that card. Everyone hates on that Pokemon, but I kind of like it. We're getting down there. This is going to be like a 30-minute video. This is great. I love this. We're going to have to do this more often. So, we were talking about, and I think the next pack battle, we are going to actually do it like the big YouTubers and trade decks. Like, if I won one, Tristan would get it. If Tristan won one, I, whatever, both back and forth. Oh, there's my gold card.
Oh, that's
Water Energy.
that is.
That's gorgeous. That
I love
sucks.
it.
It's not the Snorlax, but I can't hate because, like I said before, water is my favorite. Oh, that is such a gorgeous
You
card.
gotta like put that in a hard case. You
Yeah.
can probably use that in your deck if you
Yeah,
want.
that's amazing. It's not Snorlax, but I cannot complain one bit. Told you it'd be towards the end of the video. We got probably like 5 packs left. Tristan still has not opened his, so this could be it right here.
Hopefully, we'll see.
Okay. Just gonna run through these quick. We've seen. Oh, I don't know if we've seen that one too much.
Sneasel.
Okay, there's mine.
Ampharos.
Justified Gloves Reverse and.
Greedent.
Oh, you got that one. I love Greedent. Greedent is one of my favorite Pokemon. If you guys watch YouTube at all, if you remember KY Speedy, he's a Greedent fan. He really pushed me into it. Watching his Minecraft Pixelmon videos and streams. So Tristan, how's been the Pokemon grind up in Ashland?
It's been pretty good. I've been finding a lot at my Walmart.
Okay. Yeah, I know Playing Unplugged where we got these. You got that one. I love that card. I wish you'd go away forever. I know Playing Unplugged's always pretty
They're
well
always
got cards.
packed, yeah.
And we gotta hit it sometime so we can go play against other people, play the TCG.
Yep, because they just opened up their back room again.
Yeah?
Recently.
Oh, that's awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we had time, we could go to probably Oshkosh around here and find somewhere to play. I'm sure one of the card shops around there.
2 gloves in a row.
Ooh, all sorts of gloves. Larvesta. And, oh, I got my Greedent, my Reverse, and, oh, Aggron.
You won.
I'll take that one. Aggron's an awesome Pokemon. I love the little spiky helmet.
Down to 3 left.
So, one of those has to have, if not, I'm going to be surprised. Like, I don't know if I've ever seen a box without a gold. And I mean, I got mine. It's sitting right there on top because I haven't got anything since. 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost did only 3. That would have been bad. Oh, it wouldn't have really changed much. Run through. I'm feeling it right here, Tristan. This is going to be your gold.
We'll see.
Oh,
No.
it's not.
Oh,
Cinderace.
Oh,
I'll
you
take
won
that
that.
one. That's a gorgeous reverse.
maybe it is going to be my last card.
Yeah, this is...
Oh,
We're down to our last 2. Okay.
come on.
I'm sweating for you. I also have long sleeves on, and the air conditioning must have been turned down. Oh, I didn't do the card trickle. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys didn't see anything. Hey, see uniform. It's got the whole uniform. There's some more gloves. I'm telling you. Old Cinnamon. I can't talk today. It's too early in the morning because we also have to go to Ash. Oh, I seen alt art. I think I seen alt art back there.
Oh, that's awesome.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh, look at that artwork. It looks so like real. It looks like it came right out of there. Right out of the anime.
Last
pack.
pack.
This has to be the gold. If not, I'm gonna go on the forums. This has to be your gold card. If not, I'm going unless that honey's a gold, is it? Wait. No. I thought it was. for a second there, but unless it is, we'll have to look it up later.
Last one.
1, 2, 3, 4. They can't complain. I wasn't thinking I was gonna get anything after Lucky Energy. Last pack magic. Come on. Yeah, let's just skip to the end.
Come on, baby.
Oh, what? You didn't get, unless that honey is one. I don't think so though.
No, I don't.
No, because it would be more gold edged. Well, what the world? We didn't get a gold on his back. No Snorlax. Maybe the Snorlax got robbed at the factory. Well, we'll show what we got here. Some gorgeous cards. I got 2 Blaziken VMAX. There's my Altart Volcanion.
But then you didn't get a rainbow.
I didn't.
So maybe your gold is...
Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll have to look it up online to see how that works. Weird. I can't complain though. That it is a gorgeous.
I mean, yeah. Even though I don't like the Pokemon, it's still nice.
And I mean, there's my. Oh, I love that.
I love that one so
gorgeous. Well, thanks for watching, guys. It's been so fun opening these packs. If you guys liked it, make sure you leave a comment. This was expensive. I mean, this is $130 times 2, and that's 1 pair of Jordans right there. Peace. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.